Hi friends, let me show you this new polo shirt that I received for reviewing purposes. It's a vintage polo shirt, long sleeve as you can see. It has 3 buttons here, back here, and it is 100% polyester fabric, so it's really breathable. It's a large size one, and it's a nice green color with these black details that makes it look even prettier. Let me try it on. As you can see, it fits perfectly. This is a large one. It's a long sleeve with the black details here and here, and it's kind of a slim fit but not really stretchy, okay? So it's really nice. I like it very much, and it's perfect for this time of year, for this weather. So if you need new polo shirt, these are not that formal as a dress shirt, but more elegant than a regular t-shirt or a regular polo shirt. Okay, so I like it very much, and I think you will also like it. Thank you.